This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Plug the Chromecast into power and choose the TV HDMI input. This gives the device its video and power stream. Next, make sure your phone has Bluetooth turned on and is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want Chromecast to use. This simplifies discovery. Open the Google Home app, sign in, and tap the plus icon to add a device. This starts the pairing handshake, so the app can locate your new Chromecast and begin configuration. Once the app finds your Chromecast, verify the on-screen code. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices, and you should name the device so it's easy to identify. Then select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Accurate details matter because Chromecast streams from that network. Make choices about guest mode and device sharing. Enable voice control if you use Google Assistant, because those settings determine how others and other devices can cast to your. Finish by allowing Chromecast to install any firmware updates. These ensure stability and security, so do not skip them. After updates, test casting from YouTube or Netflix to confirm audio and video playback. This validates your configuration. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and your router because IP conflicts or poor DHCP leases often cause problems. This fixes most issues. If nothing works, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but remember you'll need to redo setup and re-enter Wi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.